The World Health Organization recently found that 9 out of 10 people breathe air containing high levels of pollutants, and estimated that around 7 million people die every year from exposure to polluted air. The WHO also states that your indoor air can be 5 times more polluted than the outdoor air. So how can we solve this problem? Well, a study done by NASA shows that certain plants can filter harmful toxins in your home. But since the air in your home can be replaced rather quickly, a plant alone cannot help you filter the air efficiently. To overcome this problem, we integrate state-of-the-art air filtration with air purifying plants. Introducing Exoplanter, the smart planter that lets you convert your plants into more efficient air purifiers and at the same time automatically water and monitor them for you. Just place your plants into the Exoplanter and set the air filtration and watering schedule using our app. Depending on your settings, the water pump and air filtration fan will be turned on for a predefined duration. In addition, the plant soil is monitored using smart soil sensors that let you know when the plant needs more water. The air filtration unit encourages air to flow through your plant and filters various types of air pollutants, viruses, and bacteria. And unlike other air purifiers, Exoplanter uses UV light, activated carbon, and HEPA filters combined with the plant's native air purifying capabilities to clean your air efficiently. Last year, after making a successful working prototype, we started to develop the Exoplanter. At the moment, the product design has been approved by certified industrial manufacturers, and the only thing stopping us from making this product a reality is the initial investment. Once the initial funding goal is reached, we will produce a complete working prototype by the end of 2021. Therefore, we need your support to back this project and make Exoplanter a reality.